Hey y'all, what's the books? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this soft, sexy, rich auntie makeup look today. So if you'd like to see how I accomplish this look, keep on watching.
Coming soon to me, no parking in LA. So I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes.
Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the coffee green. Talking late night for ya, let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna.
Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. Super cute, super grown, super sexy, with a little short hair. T, let me get my glasses. This really gonna pull the whole look together. Super cute. Super cute. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Mwah.
All night.